How to fix YouTube out-of-date problem. If you're encountering the out-of-date problem on YouTube, it could refer to either the app being outdated. In this video I will explain how to fix this issue. So let's start. Step 1. Update YouTube application. For that, go to Google Play Store for Android, or App Store for iOS. And search for YouTube. And tap Update if available. Step 2. Clear cache for Android. For that, go to your phone settings. And then go to Apps list according to your device settings. Now find out your application and tap on it. Tap on Storage. And then clear cache and data. That's it. After doing this, hopefully this problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.